Hey guys, it's finally time. It's been, there's a 2016, the battery has sat. Today I put on the charger for, I think I've charged it 3 or 4 times since I've owned this ATV. What happens is the battery, you can turn the key on, and when you press the starter, it'll just click. So that means your battery's down. You charge up the battery and it should be good for a little while. But after a while, you're gonna be tired of charging your battery. So, yeah, I got a battery. Went with the AGM. And we're gonna stick this in here. A good connection. So just snug these up with a wrench. The only way you're gonna get your battery, your stock battery, to last this long is to ride your ATV a lot. At least every other day. Maybe more. If you let your ATV battery sit in there for a week or more, you're gonna have to put on a maintainer to keep it up. Or just ride more. Why don't you just ride more? That's the hobbyist solution. That sounded good. Can't have this on the fence.